What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing the TOMEI on the R32. Been waiting for so long. Although it does have an HKS exhaust, it is not loud at all. I decided to pull the trigger and go with the TOMEI exhaust. Let me give you a little cold start and revs to show you guys what the car sounds like. As you guys can see, that is a cold start on the GTR and it's not loud at all. So I'm gonna let it warm up and then I'll give it a few revs so you guys can hear how quiet it is. So as you guys can see, the GTR is not loud at all. Time to change the exhaust. Alright guys, so right here we have a beautiful box from TOMEI. Here is the part number. Full titanium muffler kit for the Skyline. Let's go ahead and open it. Check it out. There we go. I can already see the blue on it. A silencer. Probably the hanger for the muffler, some clamps, and some hardware. Let me go ahead and take off all the wrapping from the piping so you guys can get a closer look. So before we start today's video, I want to give Evasive a huge shout out. Not only were they able to get me this exhaust for my R32, but they were up at 11 at night messaging me, telling me if they had it in stock, were they able to get it, and they did. Same day, I had to go pick it up, no big deal. Also got a free license plate frame. Alright guys, so the first piece is out. The mid section of the exhaust with my test pipe. And you might be asking yourself, why did you start right there? Why didn't you just take off the muffler side? Well, the muffler side has two hangers. The muffler can't move unless this mid pipe gets removed. Then you can move it out of the way and try to slide it off the rubber hangers. Okay, here's a little comparison. HKS exhaust and TOMEI. So I'm starting to assemble all of it except for the muffler part. I'm leaving that for last. But we got the infamous springs right here. Let's see how hard it is to put these things on. I've never worked with any of these. Pretty straightforward, just difficult to pull and try to hook on to the other side. So there's two for each pipe. We got two right here, and then the other two for the muffler side. Wish me luck. So now that we got the springs on there, they weren't actually that bad to put on. It is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie, but nothing impossible as long as you got some nice set of pliers to grab them on and just slap them on. Yeah, so let's go ahead and throw it on the GTR finally. Alright guys, so the TOMEI is almost installed. I just need to find like a rubber hanger. See, I don't have the stock one, but I'm thinking of using this one. I'm gonna take it off and hopefully I can reuse it on this side and we'll be good to go. So I ended up moving that rubber hanger. It used to be right here before, and now I moved it over here and it worked perfectly fine. Just use some WD-40 to stretch that thing out. But yeah, TOMEI is ready. It's all installed. I do have to get one bolt because it doesn't quite fit on the test pipe. So it's barely hanging on with some thread, but I need to get a bigger bolt and we should be good to go. This thing looks nice. Getting ready to do a first startup. Here's the rest of the exhaust. First official startup with the TOMEI. Oh my god, that rumble, so much louder than the other one. That is crazy. All right, we're gonna let the car warm up, and then of course we got to do some comparisons, the HKS one versus the TOMEI. Okay guys, so we made it to the beginning of the track, my track. No, I'm just kidding. Some back roads. Right now I'm gonna show you the comparison of what it sounds like now versus with the HKS. This thing is insanely loud, guys. I just drove it down the road and I had to literally be like at 2,000 RPM for this thing to be the quietest it can be on the road. Let me show you guys what the TOMEI sounds like. I'm gonna give it a few revs and then we're gonna go drive around some back roads. The camera picked it up. That is super loud. Like, I almost don't like it. It's very, very loud in a good way though. It sounds freaking nice. been a few days of me driving the GTR with the TOMEI, and this thing sounds amazing. It's still a little loud for my liking, but this is exactly why I bought a TOMEI, to get a loud exhaust. But check it out. I cannot get over this exhaust. It looks so good. Let me know, did you guys like it? What do you guys think about how it sounds? It definitely sounds a lot louder in person than in the video. So yeah, you can't really compare. Audio through the camera does not do justice, especially with my shitty GoPro. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week.